Okay, so how does individual health insurance actually become cheaper or less expensive than your typical group plan? Well, in a group plan, what's happening is each one of the people in that organization has a certain health risk. So when you go to the carrier and you say to them, hey, we have 100 people and everybody is this age or this average age, and then there are certain people that are going to be obese and there are certain people that are going to smoke. These are all risks. They aggregate all those risks. They say this group has this amount of risk. In order to cover the people, for that 100 people, they are going to allocate a dollar amount per person to cover the sick people, cover the well people. There might be people that are really taking great care of themselves, but you're basically evening the playing field for everybody. In an individual plan, what's happening is, number one, it's underwritten on an individual basis, so they can actually reject people. So that's another thing to consider. But they're taking your age, your zip code, your weight, and they are looking at a much larger pool. So when you aggregate risk like that, you actually can reduce the cost, and they can also do some selection because they're not accepting everybody. So if you're in a high risk category, many individual health insurance carriers will just not take you. Some will rate you up, which means that they will actually increase your rate just because of your health conditions. And so what you want to make sure is that when you apply for these, talk to an advisor, make sure they're giving you good advice about what risk area you're going to be in so that you know exactly what your cost is going to be. When they make you an offer, remember you have to accept it, you get a 10-day free look so that it's the right price.